Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited, the fall seasonal box by VineOh just arrived. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so the fall seasonal VineOh box just arrived. I'm so excited to see what is going to be in here. This was sent to me for review, so thank you so much, VineOh, for sending me your amazing seasonal box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. Now, if you guys do follow me, you know this is a wine plus lifestyle-ish type of beauty items inside. It's not just wine, but I love the wine. And I just love wine in general, so I really do enjoy this box because of everything that you do get inside. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what's going to be in this box. Okay, so when you first open it up, this box on top, this has like the goodies inside. And if you use my code, you will then get 3 bottles of wine for the life of your membership. Not just your first box. Every box you keep that subscription active, you will get a 3rd bottle of wine in your box every time. So if you use my code and you get 3 bottles, this is what it will look like down inside. If you get just the normal standard 2, then it would just be like that. So let's see what wines we have. When it comes to the wines, you are in control of what you receive. You can choose red, white, a mixture of red and white, or sweet. So they have all 4 different options. So the first bottle right here, this is a California Merlot 2019. I believe I have received this one before and I actually really do enjoy it. So I'm glad to see it again. So there is the first bottle of wine. Now we have one I've never seen before and it has a really pretty package. Looks like a little devil girl right there. It says Wicked Bliss 2018 California wine, but looks like a little devil horn right there. That's a really pretty logo. Like, just, it looks really nice. I've never seen that one before. So I'm excited to try a new one. This is probably the first one that I'm going to open because I like that. I like that label. And then the third option here is the New Crush California Chardonnay. And the New Crush does go around in here, but there's several different types of the New Crush and I love them all. So there's the 3rd bottle right there. So let's go ahead and dive into the goods. It comes in this box right here. And when you first open it up, there is a sneak peek to the inside of the box. And I'm seeing an eyeshadow palette right on top. Okay, so down inside of this little envelope that says, oh, this is going to go over all of the different items individually on a card. And then the very last one will go over all of them. So this box is called, oh, for me box. And the value is $172 or higher, depending on how many bottles of wine and which bottles that they send to you. But it's at least $172, not including the 3rd bottle. So there's that. So this one I'll use as my little cheat sheet to give us the pricing, and then these will go over each individual product. With VineOh, you normally get some type of like a beauty product, or you'll have like a treat, something very yummy to eat. Sometimes there's jewelry, that kind of thing. So let's go ahead and see what's going to be in the fall box. Let's go with the first thing first, since I already said I see a palette. So let me find the card for this one. This is not part of the count that you get. So I don't know if this is like a new, sometimes they'll do like when you sign up, not only will you get that 3rd bottle of wine, but you might get an extra item for free as well. Sometimes it's a really cool big like stemless wine glass, something like that. So this month, that's what this is for. This would be an extra treat for this month if you sign up. So that's what it looks like right there. And then when you open it up, those are the colors down inside. Very pretty. I like the shimmers and I like the neutral to mauves. Like, I like those colors. It's very pretty. So that is the Athena palette by Lorizzi Cosmetics. Okay, so let's start with the items that come in this box. So the first thing right on top, and I'm gonna assume this is the jewelry item, and this is from Jules Smith. It says, designed with love in Venice, California. This would be the Jules Smith Cosmic Cuff Set. Ooh, ooh. That is really pretty. For one, my wrist is way too thick probably for these. And for another, it's a gold tone, which if you follow me, you know I like silver, white gold. I don't care for yellow gold. So I will save this for one of you guys to enjoy. I don't want to open it all the way, but this is so, so cute. It has like a moon and a star. So if this was silver, I would totally try to bend it to fit, but I'm not gonna do it. So if you let me open it so you can see, and then I'll just put it back in the packaging. So I want you to be able to see it. It's so cute. Okay. Okay. So it's a set. So you have two of them. They are connected. So I'm gonna leave them connected, but that is what they look like. And then this one has a star with a moon. That would be super, super cute. Yeah. See, like I don't even want to try to attempt it. But you get the gist of it. You have two different bracelets, so that's really cute because if depending on, you know, what you want to wear, what your mood is, you have two different ones, or you could probably layer them together. But you have a two-piece set for the cuff bracelet. Must have alert. The Simple Bracelet Duo is a timeless classic layering piece. One cuff features a star with a subtle shine, while the other cuff features 2 rows of delicate black paved crystals. Stack them up for a bold layered look. Oh yes, and they are nickel free. And these are valued for $58. That's pretty much the cost of this entire box. That's awesome in one product. So there's that. Ooh, now we have the treat item. That's a big bag. It's drizzled popcorn vanilla chai, drizzled with sweet white frosting. Non-GMO popcorn popped in coconut oil. Sweet chaos. That looks scrumptious. Sweet Chaos is made of non-GMO kernels and is hand popped in coconut oil. With vanilla chai spices and a sweet white frosting drizzle, it will sure help you enjoy these fall moments that you've been waiting for. Oh, yum. And this big old bag here is valued for $4. So I always got to try things for you because, let me cut it. They're always so good. I love all the treats that we get from this box, so let me tell you. So that's what it looks like down inside. I'm definitely picking up on that chai flavoring. And then with that little drizzle, it's not a lot. It adds a little bit of sweetness to it as well. These are really, really good. And that's a big ass bag for only $4. Now we have, it says Carly Rae Studio. What do you, oh, like a little bag. Oh, it has a bottle of wine and a wine glass. And it says, I enjoy long romantic walks down the wine aisle. I love long walks down the wine aisle. That is so cute. And it has like this little red design where it just has the cup and the bottle, and simple and sweet. And it is a little tote bag that you can keep in your car to lug all your stuff around. Use it for crafts, use it for whatever you want, or use it as a gift bag and gift it to somebody else. But that is super, super cute. This is valued for $18. Oh, cute. This limited edition Carly Rae Studio tote is perfect for long walks down the wine aisle. Whether you are shopping for wine, gifting it, or need to take it on the road with you, this canvas tote will be there to make you smile. And again, valued for $18. Super, super cute. And that is a great thing if you don't want to use it for yourself. You can definitely gift it to somebody because holidays are definitely coming up. So there you go. Whoa. I thought that was a lip balm when I saw the picture of the product right there. I was like, oh, do we have a lip balm? That is not a lip balm. If it is, it will last me the rest of my life. It says Refresh Sweet Vanilla Dry Shampoo. Okay, it's a dry shampoo. That's a big thing of dry shampoo, you guys. And that's valued for $9. Refresh Dry Shampoo. Freshen up those locks with Refresh Dry Shampoo. Refresh features fast-absorbing powders to soak up and eliminate oil, sweat, and odor. Its formula cleanses hair, leaving it looking and feeling restored. No dusty white residue, just revitalized, touchable hair with a warm vanilla scent. Oh, fresh. And this is free of aluminum, parabens, and sulfates, and it's an 11.55 ounce. Again, I think this is the biggest dry shampoo that I've ever received in any box over the course of however many years I've been doing this. That is a really big can. And I know a lot of people actually love using dry shampoos, so that's an awesome thing to put in the box. So let's go ahead and go with the last item that is going to be in here. Yes, that is right here. So is this like a blanket or a scarf? Let's see. It says VineOh Collective Blanket Scarf. $35. So let me go ahead and open this up. Ooh, it feels so soft. Oh my gosh. Again, this is valued for $35. It's a blanket or a scarf. Oh wait, it's both. Cozy, warm, and cute. You can use this blanket to organize your outfit or grab a book, some wine, and take a quiet moment to snuggle up. You choose. It's 55 inches by 55 inches and it's a woven fabric. And oh my gosh, it feels super, super soft. I don't want to open up the whole thing. You can get the gist of it right there. It's the plaid. It has a lot of colors. So you have tan, black, white, yellow, and red. But that is very, very pretty. So you can use this as a blanket, which would be a nice little thin blanket to put over you, or you can use it as a scarf. Super, super cute and definitely needed in a fall box. I just don't personally need anything like that because it is hot as heck here, like year round. But I know a lot of you guys would love to have this. So I'm going to set this aside so this can go to one of you guys to enjoy. But this is super, super cute. I'm going to put the card down in it too. So whoever does get it, you'll know where it came from right there. The only thing it doesn't have on there is the value at $35 because that's on this card. But there is that. Super, super cute. Super fall. I just love this box. Again, it has wine. If you're not a huge wine drinker, you can always keep it to have if you ever have anybody over, or you can gift it. And another really cool thing that they do, let's just say you sign up, you can go in and change the shipping address and you can send that box to somebody else as a gift. So that's awesome too. You can always change where the box goes, no matter what. You can change it every time. You can just gift it to other people if you don't want to have it, or you can get it for yourself, and items that you won't utilize you can use as gift ideas, or have the wine around if you have friends or family over that might enjoy it, and then you can bust it open and have it with them, that kind of thing. So that is everything that came in this fall box, the Oh for Me box. So quick recap, you have a blanket scarf, you have a large and in charge dry shampoo, you have the biggest treat bag with amazing popcorn that tastes so, so good. You have the cutest little canvas bag with the cute little wine saying right there, totally giftable or keep it for yourself. You have a 2-cuff set. You can wear them individually or layer them. And then you have the 2 or 3 bottles of wine. So that is everything that came in this box, you guys. Go ahead and comment down below and let me know what you thought about the items inside. If you want a little bit more information about VineOh, I will let you know right about now. Again, my link down below will get you not only the normal box, but it'll get you a 3rd bottle of wine in every single box that you keep that subscription active. So free bottle of wine for life of that subscription. Each box is $59.99 and you'll get over $120 in value, and it's free shipping. And again, this month it says 172 plus. You get to choose from the whites, the reds, the mix of the two, or sweet. You can pay quarterly or you can pay annually to save some money on each box. You get 2 bottles of wine, or 3 if you use my code. 5 to 6 full-size products of fun, rejuvenating, and delicious surprises. And again, it's seasonal, so only 4 of them per year. You can also gift the box too. So if you want to just send a one-time box to somebody, you can definitely do that. I believe that way it's free shipping and it's $69 if you want to just do a one-time no commitment type box, but that is all on their website as well if you're interested in that. So that is everything that I have for this particular video. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of all the items inside? What do you think of VineOh? Let me know. All your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.